Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. Today, we're diving into something that's generating massive buzz in the photography world, the release of the Fujifilm X-E5. If you're a passionate photographer, a content creator, a YouTuber, or simply someone who loves capturing life's best moments with style, this camera might just be what you've been waiting for. So let's unpack everything about this exciting new launch from Fujifilm, including why it's already a chart-topping bestseller, how it compares to rivals, and why the X-E5 might become the benchmark in APS-C mirrorless cameras this year. A quick snapshot: when Fujifilm officially announced the X-E5, expectations were mixed. Leaked images sparked excitement, but also skepticism, especially about the price point. Many in the community argued that it seemed too expensive for what it offered. But now, in a twist that surprises even industry insiders, this camera is flying off the shelves globally. According to direct feedback from reliable retail sources in the United States, Europe, and Asia, the X-E5 is already one of the best-selling X-mount cameras of all time, second only to the X106. Why the X-E5 is smashing sales expectations? First off, Fujifilm has serious brand momentum right now. From the beloved X100 series to the more pro-level GFX lineup, Fujifilm is consistently hitting home runs in both design and user experience. They've mastered the blend of aesthetic charm, film-like color science, and photographic functionality. But here's what's special about the X-E5: it brings a retro-modern design, powerful internal features, and versatility, all in a compact body that appeals to a wide range of users, from amateur photographers and vloggers to seasoned professionals. Fujifilm's best-selling interchangeable camera. Here's the data store owners we've spoken to, in key locations including New York, Tokyo, Berlin, and London, report that the X-E5 pre-orders have exceeded 150% of what the X-T50 managed in its early days. That's extraordinary, especially when you consider that the X106 had historically high pre-orders across all camera brands. Why is this significant? Because it signals something deeper. Users are valuing experience, design, and simplicity just as much as raw specs. Who is the Fujifilm X-E5 for? Let's take a look at the target demographic: content creators and YouTubers. With its excellent video capabilities, film simulations, and lightweight design, the X-E5 is perfect for handheld vlogging or cinematic B-roll. Photographers on the go. The camera is discreet, stylish, and fast, making it ideal for street photographers, travel vloggers, and event shooters. Beginner to intermediate users. With easy-to-use controls, built-in film simulation, and great auto modes, it's a fantastic entry point for anyone moving beyond smartphone photography. Retro tech lovers. If you admire cameras that feel like tools, not just gadgets, the X-E5 hits that sweet spot. Fujifilm Simulation Dial. One of the standout features is the dedicated film simulation dial, something that sets Fujifilm apart from nearly every other brand. While most competitors bury their color profiles deep within complex menu systems, Fujifilm puts creative control right at your fingertips. This dial gives you instant access to some of the brand's most iconic film looks, like Velvia, Provia, Classic Chrome, and Eterna, each offering distinct tonal ranges and color palettes. This isn't just about nostalgia, it's about workflow efficiency and creative exploration. You can shoot in JPEG and get final images that require zero editing. For social media creators and event photographers, that's a huge time saver. Specs versus experience. Why design matters? Let's be honest. In 2025, even entry-level cameras can shoot 4K video, capture 20+ MP photos, and deliver fast autofocus. So what makes a difference today is user experience, how the camera feels in your hand, how intuitive it is to use, and how much fun it is to shoot with. That's where the Fujifilm X-E5 excels. It's not just a spec sheet, it's a beautifully designed, tactile camera that you'll want to bring everywhere. Compact and lightweight, ideal for everyday carry. Interchangeable lens system. Unlike the X106, the X-E5 lets you swap out lenses, giving you more creative control. Classic rangefinder design. Retro, minimalist aesthetics with modern functionality. Affordable price point. Compared to full-frame options, it delivers exceptional value. Great for video creators. While the X-E5 isn't marketed as a video-first device, it still boasts impressive capabilities: 4K video up to 30 frames per second, oversampled from 6K Log2 support for flat color profiles, and better grading. Compact form that mounts easily to gimbals and rigs. Flip-up screen for vlogging. USB-C charging and audio input support. It's not trying to compete with cinema rigs, but it's more than enough for vloggers, YouTubers, TikTok creators, and short-form filmmakers who want a stylish, practical tool. Flexible lens ecosystem. Another major win? The X-mount lens system. Fujifilm has invested heavily in developing high-quality APS-C glass, something that most other camera brands neglect, that there's a lens for every use case, ultra-wide primes for landscape, fast f/1.4 lenses for portraits, compact pancake lenses for street photography, budget-friendly zooms for traveling. Third-party brands like Viltrox, Sigma, and Tamron now also support the X-mount, giving users even more options. Final thoughts: why the Fujifilm X-E5 deserves the hype. The Fujifilm X-E5 isn't just another mirrorless camera, it's a statement. It embodies everything that photography should be in the modern age: creative, beautiful, intuitive, and personal. Whether you're a beginner wanting to level up, a traveler needing something reliable and light, or a pro looking for a fun second body, this camera delivers. Other manufacturers need to take this as a wake-up call. Consumers want more than just megapixels and 8K marketing buzzwords. They want a camera that inspires. Thinking about buying the Fujifilm X-E5? If you're excited about the Fujifilm X-E5 and want to pick one up for yourself, consider using the affiliate links in the description box. They don't cost you anything extra, but they help support Techno Trend Zone and keep content like this coming your way.